In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix overheating on your ROG Xbox Ally X. If your device is getting too hot while gaming, these fixes can help immediately. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far the most common cause of overheating is just having too many apps or games running in the background. To get rid of this, go ahead and hold down on the Xbox button just to see what is open. As you can see, we have, honestly, a pretty decent amount of stuff open. For example, you might have like a Steam game open up. You might see, an Epic Games title running or something from Xbox Game Pass. You don't need all these running at once, so go ahead and close out of anything that you don't actually need just by hovering over it and then hitting X. We'll close the armory crate, and then of course we'll also go ahead and close, all this extra stuff just like so, and boom, it's gonna immediately reduce your heat. Now go up to your profile up at the very top from the Xbox page, just like so. And once you're on your profile, select it, and then you're going to see an option for settings. Go ahead and open that up. Scroll down on here a little bit, and you're going to see install options. Open that section up, and make sure enable downloads and updates during gameplay is turned off. You definitely do not want these turned on. Turning this off can help keep temperatures lower. Now make sure that you're also not playing your ROG Ally X or placing it on carpet, blankets, or soft surfaces. These will block airflow and trap heat. Usually have it on like a flat hard surface where vents can breathe properly. And what you can also do is hit your command center button and then go ahead and go into the armory crate and open that up. Once you're in here, go ahead and wait for it to load, and if your device is on something like turbo mode in the settings itself, you can go ahead and put it on something like performance or silent mode, because these are going to use way less power and help cool things down. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.